Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to copy and paste text in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets document file. Firstly, then show the Google Sheet document. Now from the text, this text is copy and paste. Now select from the text. Now click for the mouse right button option, then click for the copy option. Then this top text from the anywhere it needs. Now click for the mouse right button option, then click for the paste option. That is. Then show the this text is from the copy. Then again another text. Now select from the text. Now click for the mouse right button option, then click for the copy option. Now click for the mouse right button option, then click for the paste option. That's it. Then I show the copy and paste text in Google Sheets. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.